What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I'm down at my brother's. He had a bunch of good growth with his kale this season, some lettuce. So I started it about a week and a half ago, different seeds, lettuce, kale, spinach. So I brought some down for him. So we're going to get that planted in the garden. Also another round of cucumbers for him. So let's hop right in. So when he harvested his kale, he ended up covering it with this black tarp just to help prevent any grass or weeds from growing. So here are the different vegetables that we have growing. We got cucumber. I have another set of cucumber that I started a few days after. We have zucchini. There should be squash also. Pak Choi, cabbage, salad lettuce, romaine lettuce, broccoli. So we're going to have that down this area. Then on the high end where we have the trellis, we're going to plant the cucumbers. So I'm going to add this fertilizer. It's a 253 because he's already been growing in this area. So I'm going to add it to the top and then rough it in with a rake, and then we'll get planting. So we had to break out the old tape measure. We got a 4 foot long by 4 foot wide section. And what we're going to do is basically get it broke down into 16 squares. Okay, so we have our grid laid out. This is going to help to maximize our growing space. Each square is approximately 1 square foot. So we're going to be able to load this up, and he's going to be able to get great produce out of a small section of garden. So first plant we're going to be planting is this Dino Kale. So I'm going to just stick his tag in so he'll know what it is. I'm going to dig down just a little bit so when we plant it, it has all that fresh soil that we just amended around it. And then starting your seeds, you normally have 2 or 3 seeds in there, and we want to just pick the strongest one, which looks like this back one. So all I'm going to do is just pinch it. So I remove that extra seedling, so now all the roots and everything can focus on that one seedling's growth. Here's another Dino Kale. And because there's 2 here, I'm actually just going to go with this further one. Okay, so next we have romaine head lettuce. And what's really neat is you can already see it's only about a week old, and you can see the root development and growth. broccoli. And then we got some kale. Not sure what variety. Okay, now we're going to water everybody in. And with these plants being young and fragile, you don't want to water directly on them. You want to water around them so the roots can settle in and they can begin getting stronger. And then if it happens to rain, that's one thing, but if you're controlling the water, try not to dump it right on your new plants. Okay, here's his cucumbers all planted by the cinder block so then they can get on to the trellis. We have squash, zucchini, and squash and zucchini. And then this pepper here is the ghost pepper. We just got done planting some vegetables for his fall harvest. We have kale, we have lettuce, leaf and romaine, pak choi, broccoli. So we got everything planted, we got everything watered in. Go ahead, don't forget to comment, subscribe down below, let me know what you guys are planning for your fall harvest, and have a great day.